there, MY1 is here to say March 21st is a special day.
A day to stand both proud and tall and say, no room for hate at all.
No matter your race or your name, deep down inside, we're all the same. No one should feel alone or small. No one deserves to hurt at all.
Differences help us to see the world's better with both you and me.
Our school believes in love and care. It should be safe and always fair.
We join this team to make things right, stand for fairness, peace, and life.
The dream is for us all to stand, united, mighty, hand in hand.
It's not just words, it's what we do. Being an ally starts with you.
Speak up, stand strong, don't turn away. Help make the world more kind today.
Learn, share, respect, and lend a hand. Together, we can take a stand.
Big or small, we should all belong. A world with kindness makes us strong. So let's be fair, let's lead the way. Let's make a change start today.
Thank you, CSS. Hear our call. Tolerance and love, one and all.